Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today guys I will show you how to connect MetaTrader 4 with Oanda. So guys, open your MetaTrader 4 account after download accounts and click on this icon setting, and then you will see guys this page. Click new account from this page, and this is on iOS or Android, same thing. And then after that guys, choose the login account, existing account from here, this option. After that guys, click Meta, search for here Meta Oanda, search for Oanda from here, and then click Oanda, this option OGM, this one. And after that, as you can see, OGM live, and log in your account from here on the account, set up your account from here, and then complete the steps to you will see connection was successfully. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and share this video for more content. So guys, I will reply, click setting, after that new account, from here login, and then search for Oanda. After that click live, OGN live, and then log in your account. I hope guys this video quick helpful for you. Any question down below in the comment, and I will try to answer your question as soon as possible.